Part 2. That cloud, I think it's now, what's the time now? 4:38. Friday, 7th of 1st, 2021. He's broken his legs and he's still playing the guitar. Watch your body language. Watching the skies, the birds in the trees behind me. It's freezing cold. Touching the nose. It's the sky I'm watching. I can't get back down that way. Let's see if I can zoom in. Right, the street lights are just about coming on. But the low level cloud, the toxicity, Planet X windward. See how low to the street levels it is in the skies. Between the buildings here. You won't even see any sunset down that end of town. Got back off, mate. And the birds, I'm going to turn around now. They're up there. Tiny little ones. I don't know what type. In the month of this chaos, toxic skies, you've got AI cameras zooming into smart devices, tracking everyone, look. But then you've got the beautiful tiny little baby birds. The beautiful colours. They're trying to get zoomed in again. How ironic they made a nest and this area, UK. In the heart of the town centre, nobody looks up at the beautiful nature unless they actually got them, because it's radiation, by the way, smart 5G, smart lights. How come they're existing? Are they the natural birds? Can anyone tell? I don't know if I've seen dim enough. Right, now, only with that sky, look at it. These 5G lights coming on now. Signing out.